Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine and what about you?
I am also fine. What's your name?
My name is Abu Salam Sekhan. What's your name?
My name is Rahul Sheikh. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Anil Sekhan. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Giyasuddin Sheikh. What do you do?
I am a student and what do you do?
I am also a student. In which class do you study?
I study in class 7 in which class do you study?
I study class 9. How old are you?
I am 13 years old and how old are you?
I am 15 years old. How is your father?
My father is 50 and how is your father?
My father is also 50. What does your father do?
My father is a farmer and what does your father do?
My father is also farmer. What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker and what does your mother do?
My mother is also homemaker. Where are you from?
I am from Murshidabad and where are you from?
I am from also Murshidabad.
What's your religion?
What's your religion?
I am a Muslim and what's your religion?
I am also Muslim.
Excellent, Marshall. Very good, excellent.